Hey guys, we have this Lone Star mystery box. I got 10 of them. It was the 2 5-packs. Let's go ahead and see what I got. First and foremost, we got a Benny Penny. That's pretty sweet. Ooh, they threw a mini in there. The mini Mad Cat. That feels really good, actually. Hopefully I'll have a challenge where I have to throw a stupid mini at some point. Play a league that does some of those things. Got a Dos X or XX. We got a penny putter, and that's in a V2 plastic. That looked pretty sweet. We have a Blue Bonnet double stamp, V1. Looks like a double stamped Warbird in an alpha plastic. We have a Lariat, I think is how you pronounce that. That looks really sweet with that double stamp. Alpha plastic as well. And that is a Copperhead. Does not say what kind of plastic it is, but it feels like a V1. We have a Walker, and that is in a Delta 2 157. Doesn't feel like 157, but it might be. I throw a Walker a lot, so that'll be interesting to try that one out. Oh, 2 left. Got another Blue Bonnet. This one is in yellow, double stamp as well. V1. And last but certainly not least, we have another Warbird. This one's actually a really sweet design on here. Look at the colors. And that one is in a 172. So we had the Warbird, the Blue Bonnet, the Walker, the Copperhead, the Lariat, Warbird, Blue Bonnet, had the penny putter, the Dos X, the mini, which they threw that one in there. I think that's pretty sweet. I think I'm going to be using that mini, and the penny putter with a Benny stamp on top of it. Pretty awesome.